Seniors, do this before bed to stop your muscles from disappearing. Did you know every 10 seconds another senior loses the ability to walk independently? After age 30, people lose about 3 to 8% of muscle each decade. By 70, many have lost nearly 40% of their strength. While you sleep, your body can cannibalize muscle for fewer late hours of fasting, 8 hours of breakdown. Doctors call this sarcopenia. 1 in 3 seniors will fall this year because of weakness, and half who suffer a major fall won't survive the next 12 months. But the fix isn't expensive or complicated. Tonight I'll reveal 8 foods that rebuild muscle while you sleep. The top choice costs less than your morning coffee and could add years to your independent life. Tell us in the comments, noticed your strength slipping? Like and subscribe for more tips. Do it start tonight. Without further ado, let us start the countdown right now. Number 8, dates. Dates, tiny, sweet, and often ignored. For many older adults, the hardest part of keeping muscle isn't protein, it's simply getting enough calories. When appetite is low, your body steals from muscle to keep the lights on. Dates fix that fast. Dates are a concentrated energy source, natural sugars, fiber, and small minerals packed into a tiny package. They're not a full meal, they're a surgical tool you can use before bed when appetite is low. Those quick sugars give your body immediate calories so it won't turn to amino acids from muscle for fuel. In short, dates act as a tiny calorie insurance policy that prevents avoidable overnight muscle cannibalism. Why this matters? For seniors, low appetite is one of the quietest but most destructive drivers of muscle loss. Even small chronic calorie shortfalls force the body to cover its energy needs by burning lean mass. For older adults who eat less at dinner or skip snacks, nights become a repeated drain. 2 small dates after dinner are often enough to nudge metabolism away from burn muscle and toward use food for fuel. Protecting the protein you'll give it for repair. Timing and pairing are everything. Go to bedside snack. 1-2 medjool dates, 30 up to 60 minutes before bed, paired with 1 teaspoon natural almond or peanut butter or cup cottage cheese. The date supplies quick carbs. The nut butter or cottage cheese adds fat and protein to extend amino acid availability through the early sleep cycles. The date's sugars rapidly raise available blood glucose so the liver and brain don't signal the body to pull from muscle. The paired protein or fat slows digestion enough to keep amino acids available during the early sleep phases, exactly when growth and repair hormones do their most important work. Together, this combo prevents the small nightly energy shortfalls that add up into real muscle loss. Freezer date stuffed with almond butter for a slow melting, easy-to-chew treat that's gentle on digestion. Variations for low appetite or digestion issues. Chewing problems, blend 1 date with a small scoop of Greek yogurt or cottage cheese into a smooth, spoonable snack. Reflux or heartburn, move the timing earlier, 60 to 90 minutes before bed, and limit to 1 small date with 1 to 2 teaspoon cottage cheese. Blood sugar concerns, choose smaller deglet noor dates and pair with at least 15 grams protein cup cottage cheese or 2 tablespoon Greek yogurt to blunt the sugar spike. Don't underestimate these little fruits. 1 or 2 dates stuffed with a spoon of nut butter can stop your body from stealing your own muscle overnight. It's tiny, cheap, and you can do it tonight. Tonight, after dinner, set a reminder for 45 minutes before lights out. Place 1 to 2 dates with 1 tablespoon nut butter or cup cottage cheese with chopped dates on a small plate by a glass of water. Eat calmly, sit upright for 5 minutes to settle digestion, then continue your normal wind down. Repeat nightly. Small, consistent, and effective. This snack isn't heavy or strange, it's familiar and pleasant, which makes habit formation easier. For seniors with reduced appetite, dates are a pleasant, practical way to give the body a tiny caloric safety net before the long overnight fast. The immediate benefit is subtle: less morning fatigue and fewer muscle-sapping nights, but those small wins compound into real strength over time. Number 7, oranges and citrus. Most people think vitamin C is just for colds. For seniors, it quietly does something bigger. It helps build the collagen that keeps muscle attached to bone. Without that glue, strength slips away even if you're eating protein. Citrus fruits deliver a concentrated dose of vitamin C, a key helper your body uses to manufacture collagen, the connective tissue that anchors muscle to bone and stabilizes joints. Healthy collagen means stronger tendons, firmer ligaments, and better force transfer from muscle into real movement. In everyday terms, better balance, less wobble, and fewer injuries from ordinary tasks. As we age, the soft tissues that attach muscle to bone weaken. You can have muscle tissue, but if the glue that links it to bone is frayed, functional strength still drops. Vitamin C supports the scaffolding that lets your muscles do useful work. For seniors fighting to stay independent, a small citrus habit protects the structure that makes strength actually usable. Timing and pairing matter. Go to snack. An orange or 3-4 mandarin segments, 30-60 minutes before bed, paired with cup Greek yogurt or cup cottage cheese. The fruit supplies vitamin C and antioxidants. The dairy supplies slow-digesting proteins, so amino acids are available through the early sleep cycles. Vitamin C acts as a cofactor in collagen production, basically a helper molecule the body uses to assemble and strengthen connective tissue. When collagen production is supported, tendons and ligaments remain stronger and transmit muscle force more efficiently. Meanwhile, the paired protein slows digestion and supplies amino acids. Overnight, the combo reduces connective tissue breakdown and supports repair during sleep. Zest a little orange peel into your yogurt for extra flavor and antioxidants without added sugar. Variations for taste, digestion, or dental sensitivity, acid sensitivity or reflux. Use a few mandarin wedges instead of half an orange, and pair with full-fat Greek yogurt to buffer acidity, chewing or dental issues. Squeeze half an orange into yogurt and stir softer texture, same benefit. Blood sugar concerns. Stick to fruit segments, not juice, and include at least 15 grams protein to blunt the sugar spike. Half an orange with Greek yogurt, that little bowl does two jobs. It gives your body the vitamin C to keep the tissue that holds your muscle strong and the protein your muscles need to rebuild while you sleep. Citrus is familiar, bright, and seasonal, not a chore. It livens a plain yogurt bowl and gives immediate sensory payoff. Flavor, aroma, freshness. For seniors worried about slipping strength, this habit targets the connective tissue that actually makes muscle useful. It's simple, cheap, and easy to repeat. If you want to protect the glue that holds your strength together, citrus is a tiny nightly piece of insurance, bright, tasty, and built to work with protein while you sleep. Number 6. Blueberries. Blueberries. Tiny but mighty. If your muscles feel sore after a walk or a light workout, lingering inflammation can slow repair. Blueberries help clear that roadblock so your muscles recover faster while you sleep. Blueberries are concentrated antioxidant powerhouses. They contain compounds called anthocyanins, the pigments that give them their deep color, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. For older adults, low-level chronic inflammation makes every small muscle tear take longer to heal. Blueberries don't replace protein, but they accelerate how quickly muscle tissue calms down after being used, so the rebuilding process can proceed more efficiently. If you're staying active, walking, gardening, or doing light resistance work, you create tiny, normal wear and tear in your muscles. When inflammation lingers, that repair is delayed and muscles remain weak longer. For seniors, delayed recovery adds up. More stiffness, slower progress from exercise, and less confidence to keep moving. Adding blueberries into a nightly routine shortens the recovery window. In practical terms, less morning soreness, quicker bounce back after activity, and a faster return to the routines that keep you independent. Pair blueberries with a slow-digesting protein so amino acids are available throughout the night. The go-to bedside snack, cup blueberries mixed into cup plain Greek yogurt, eaten 30 to 60 minutes before bed. If you prefer a drink, blend cup blueberries with 20 to 25 grams whey or other protein and a small amount of milk or water and drink it about 30 minutes before lights out. Anthocyanins in blueberries reduce inflammatory signaling and help clear reactive molecules that form after everyday activity. With less inflammation, immune cells switch from clean-up to repair more quickly, and the muscle-less rebuilding machinery can work without interference. Meanwhile, the paired protein supplies the amino acids required for rebuilding. The combined effect, an anti-inflammatory fruit plus a steady protein source, speeds real recovery during sleep. Frozen blueberries are just as effective as fresh, cheaper, and easy to keep on hand year-round. They thaw quickly when stirred into yogurt. Variations for taste, digestion, or appetite. Low appetite. Start smaller. Cup blueberries folded into cup cottage cheese gives the same targeted effect with less volume. Chewing difficulties. Blend blueberries with protein and a little milk for a smooth, easy-to-swallow shake. Dairy sensitivity. Use a tolerated protein yogurt or plant-based protein powder. Just ensure 15–20 g total protein. If berries upset your stomach, try them on nights after lighter activity or reduce portion size until tolerated. A handful of blueberries with a spoonful of Greek yogurt may look small, but it's a nightly repair combo. The fruit calms inflammation while the protein gives muscles what they need to rebuild through the night. Blueberries are easy, pleasant, and adaptable. Mixed into yogurt, blended into shakes, or eaten straight. They don't feel like medicine and won't upset most stomachs. For seniors who want to stay active without prolonged soreness, this is a forgiving habit with fast payoff, less stiffness, better sleep quality, and quicker gains from modest exercise. If you want faster recovery from everyday movement and fewer stiff mornings, add blueberries into your nightly routine. Small fruit, big payoff. Number 5, pomegranate. It looks fancy, but it's one of the most practical fruits for overnight muscle repair because it improves circulation. Better blood flow means the repair ingredients you give your body actually reach the places that need them into the muscle. Pomegranate is a circulation booster. The seeds, arils, and juice contain plant compounds that help widen small blood vessels and improve flow, so oxygen and amino acids reach muscle tissue more efficiently. Better delivery means the same protein and nutrients you eat actually work harder, they get to the repair site faster and clear waste products more effectively. As we get older, circulation can slow, especially in the legs and hands. Sluggish blood flow makes repair slower and soreness last longer. For seniors who walk, garden, or do light resistance work, improved circulation amplifies every positive input: protein, sleep, and movement by ensuring those inputs are used where they matter most. In short, pomegranate helps the body actually use the food you give it. Pomegranate's compounds help widen microvessels and support healthy blood flow. When circulation improves, amino acids from your protein pairing arrive at muscle fibers more quickly and in better quantity. Oxygen delivery improves energy processes that drive repair, and waste products are removed faster. Think of it like turning up the faucet. The same nutrients reach the repair site in greater amounts, so overnight rebuilding is more efficient. Stir pomegranate seeds into yogurt with a sprinkle of chopped nuts for extra protein texture, and a little fat that slows digestion just enough overnight. Variations for digestion, taste, and sugar concerns. Worried about sugar? Stick to the seeds, arils, rather than juice. The fiber in seeds blunts blood sugar spikes. Chewing issues? Gently mash seeds into yogurt so they're easier to eat. Acid or reflux sensitivity? Pair seeds with higher fat protein like cottage cheese and move the snack to 60–90 minutes before bed. To reduce nighttime acidity? Budget-friendly. Frozen arils are often cheaper and work just as well when stirred into yogurt. Pomegranate isn't just pretty, it's practical. Those ruby seeds help shuttle oxygen and amino acids into your muscles while you sleep. Mix them into yogurt tonight and your body will thank you in the morning. Pomegranate feels a little special without being fussy. The seeds add a satisfying crunch and sweetness to yogurt bowls. And the routine is quick to prepare. For seniors who worry about slow recovery or persistent soreness, this habit targets the delivery system, not just the raw materials, making every other recovery strategy you use work better. If your body has struggled to get nutrients where they're needed, pomegranate helps fix that bottleneck. It's a small choice at night with a big effect on how efficiently your muscles repair while you sleep. Number 4, kiwi. Kiwi. Small, bright, and deceptively powerful. Kiwi does 2 critical jobs at once for older adults. It supplies vitamin C for tissue repair and helps many older sleepers fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. That double-duty repair plus better sleep makes kiwi a nightly ally for recovery. Kiwi is a sleep and repair combo. It delivers a solid dose of vitamin C, which the body uses to build and maintain collagen, the connective tissue that keeps muscle anchored to bone, and it contains natural compounds that many people find help with sleep quality. Better sleep isn't just a comfort issue, it's a biological window. During early sleep cycles, your body releases growth and repair hormones. If sleep is poor, that window narrows. Kiwi helps widen it. Poor or fragmented sleep accelerates muscle loss. When sleep is short or interrupted, growth hormone and other anabolic signals don't fire as strongly, inflammation stays higher, and the overnight balance tips toward breakdown instead of rebuild. For older adults already facing lower baseline hormone levels and slower recovery, improving sleep quality is just as important as adding protein. Kiwi attacks both problems. It nudges sleep quality upward while delivering vitamin C that supports connective tissue and antioxidant defenses. The practical bedside pairing. 1 ripe kiwi, 30–60 minutes before bed, paired with cup cottage cheese or cup plain Greek yogurt. The kiwi helps you fall asleep and supplies vitamin C. The dairy provides slow-releasing protein, so amino acids are available across the night. For a tasty bowl, slice 1 kiwi into cup Greek yogurt and sprinkle a teaspoon of chia seeds for texture and a tiny omega boost. Kiwi contains compounds that improve sleep onset and sleep continuity for many older adults, meaning you fall asleep faster and stay in deeper sleep longer. Deeper, consolidated sleep increases the time spent in repair phases when growth hormone and other anabolic signals peak. Meanwhile, the vitamin C from kiwi supports collagen formation and antioxidant protection, and the paired protein steadily supplies amino acids overnight. The result: more effective repair and less overnight breakdown. Slice kiwi into Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of chia seeds for a sleep-friendly, nutrient-dense bowl that's easy to eat. Variations for taste, digestion, or dental sensitivity. If kiwis taste too tart, pick a slightly soft, ripe kiwi or use golden kiwi, which is milder and sweeter. Chewing or dental issues, mash the kiwi into yogurt, or blend it with cottage cheese for a smooth, easy swallow option. Reflux or acid sensitivity. Move the snack earlier 60–90 minutes before bed and keep the portion to 1 kiwi with cup cottage cheese to buffer acidity. If you're trying to reduce sugar, pair kiwi with higher fat cottage cheese rather than yogurt to slow absorption. 1 kiwi with cottage cheese, that's a tiny bowl. With big effects, the fruit helps you sleep better so your body can repair, and the protein feeds your muscles while you rest. Kiwi is fresh, quick, and requires almost no prep, no cooking, no measuring. For seniors who wake repeatedly or can't stay asleep, this snack offers a gentle food-based nudge toward deeper rest. Because it's pleasant and light, it's easier to keep doing than heavy shakes or pills. If sleep is the repair window and protein is the building material, kiwi is the doorman letting the repair team in. Try it tonight, a small change that helps your body actually use the sleep it already gets. Number 3. Quinoa, the ancient grain that protects muscles. Seniors, let's talk about one of the most powerful plant-based foods on the planet, quinoa. Unlike most grains, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle. That's rare in the plant world. A 2019 study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that older adults who added complete plant proteins like quinoa had better muscle mass retention compared to those relying only on refined grains. Quinoa also delivers magnesium, iron, and zinc nutrients vital for energy, blood circulation, and muscle recovery. The best part: quinoa is gluten-free and easy to digest, making it ideal for seniors with sensitive stomachs. Try it as a rice replacement, in salads with beans, or even as a warm breakfast porridge topped with berries and nuts. Coming up next, a superfood from the sea that fights inflammation while protecting aging muscles. Number 7. Salmon, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse for strong muscles. Now seniors, let's finish strong with one of the most powerful muscle-preserving foods of all time, salmon. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which do more than protect your heart. Studies show omega-3s improve how your muscles respond to protein, essentially making every bite of protein work harder for you. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who supplemented with omega-3s gained more muscle and strength compared to those who didn't eat, but salmon isn't just about omega-3s, it's also rich in high-quality protein and vitamin D, which supports bone health and reduces your risk of falls. Grilling, baking, or pan-searing salmon just twice a week could drastically improve your muscle health, reduce inflammation, and keep you mobile for years to come. And don't go anywhere after this. I'll reveal a quick recap and a bonus tip to maximize your muscle strength even faster. Remember, muscle loss is not inevitable. With the right foods, you can stay strong, independent, and full of energy well into your 70s, 80 seconds, and beyond. Now it's your turn. Which of these foods do you already eat, and which one will you start adding tonight? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly senior health tips. And don't forget to share this video with a friend or loved one who wants to stay strong and active after 60. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.